and some important points. If you want to record the session, you can do. Mansoor,
Yes, I'm recording.
you are you have started the recording?
Yes, I started now.
Oh, okay, good. Should I start now? Okay. Yes, Mansoor. Recording is started?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay then.
Okay.
So I'm here to talk about the preparation of the green book. As you know, this folder link I have shared you. So first one, I start the recording also. Maybe
Recording in progress.
so this folder link is with you, and inside this folder there are further five folders: project requirements, GP book guidelines, examination form, GP title you have done, GP book submission by the student. This will be in the last week. Okay. So today I am going to tell you about GP book and the examination form. So first of all, I start from the examination form. Your midterm exam will be from next week, on Sunday, from Sunday. Okay, it may be offline or online. I will inform you about that very soon, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We are preparing the things. So your midterm exam will be from Sunday. I will inform in the group also.
All the groups will be in the same day, at the same time, or
No, 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 no. It's not possible. All the group on the same day, because all the teachers are also very busy. They are have means they have too much load. So to find the common time, it's not easy task for us also. So we are planning to do online, so that in the evening time after Maghrib or after Isha, according to the convenience, so you can do the presentation. So I
okay.
will tell you. I will tell you about that. I'm now communicating with the domain experts. So okay. Other than that, so first you have to focus on the midterm examination form evaluation. So this form will be with the examiners, and the marks distribution 5%. If you mention abstract in your slides, you will get 5%. Problem background, what is your project, something like that you have to mention in the slide. Objectives, requirements, and this is general form. It is not just like everything you need to put in the slides. Just like if I talk about hardware, so system requirement is okay. Hardware requirements is the most important thing there. Network requirement, you can skip that in the hardware based project. But if you talk about safe software based project, then you must mention the network requirements. Same in the project design. If you are making a software based project, then you have to make the software libraries there. You have to make the algorithm flowchart. Everything means according to the software. Mention the things, okay, in your slide. It is not compulsory. Everything you need to put in the slide according to the project. I repeat it again, okay. But these are the main headings. Everybody should have introduction, background, scope, motivation, system analysis, project design, technical knowledge, and plan. Okay, timetable, Gantt chart, you can use any of these two. Okay, and on the basis of this form, you will be evaluated by the examiners. Okay, how many pages are in the presentation? Maybe around 15 pages are okay. Normally, students prepare 15 pages. Okay, so because you have to present yourself for around 15 to 20 minutes. So 15 pages are okay. Most important thing is you must have knowledge of the project. 10 pages, 5 pages, 8 pages are okay, but you have to speak up to 20 minutes, something like that. Okay, so okay. Other than that, this is the form for the midterm exam. Next form for the supervisor. Supervisor will take your exam maybe after 2 weeks or 3 weeks. This is the form. So prepare yourself according to this form. supervisor evaluation form. It will be a 40 marks exam. And the last one will be the final exam. So this is the final exam evaluation form. So prepare yourself according to the forms, according to the evaluation forms. Okay. Other than that, I'm going to talk about the the thesis, the book. So this is the format. This is the format of the book. Okay. So you have to mention, uh, the important thing in this slide is, in this file is this one, the font size. This is the most important thing, this area. The main heading, just like the chapter name, it should be Times in Roman. This is the font, and this is the size of the text, 16 and bold. Subheading means inside the chapter, what are you mentioning the heading? That should be 14 in the bold. And the normal content, then it should be 12. The size of the content should be 12. So, and the line spacing 15. Word spacing, you can say normal. Yes, we keep the word spacing normal. The border spacing of the pages should be at least 1 inch from all the sides. So this line you should keep in mind. Okay, so here in this file, these things are important. Okay. Other than that, I will inform about the when you have to submit the green book. You have to submit the green books for soft. Means not the green book. It's a thesis. So you have to submit the book online and the hard copy also. Okay. Next, if you go to the next content, yes, this is another important file. Now prepare your book according to this. So approval page, where is the approval page? You can find here approval page. Okay, this is the approval page where you have to mention your name, ID, supervisor, and supervisor tells about the means supervisor tick here if he is satisfied with the project, with the performance of the student throughout the semester. So this is the way. So this is the first page. This is the first page, and this is the cover page. After cover page, after cover page, what is cover page? You can download it from my system, from the Google Drive, and you can mention your IDs. And after this page, you can go to the approval page. Okay, you can go to the approval page. This is the front page, just like the cover of the book. Okay, and I go back here, the content. So before the approval page, there is a cover page. This is the first important paper, approval page. Okay, before that, the cover of the paper. I mean the this one, cover page is what the you understand. I think the name of this file, cover page. It's simple. Approval page, then mention the project title, supervisor, teamwork on a single page. On a single page, you can mention. Okay, and the table of content, acknowledgement, abstract, with the keywords, chapter number 1. Now this is a general form. This is a general form. According introduction is same for all type of project, networking, software, hardware project. This chapter number 1 and chapter number 1 especially is same for all. If we talk about chapter number 2, project analysis, then development methodologies, hardware requirement, and the software requirement. So according to your project, select any one or any two. It depends on your project. Or you can mention any other heading also. It is not just like it is 100%, it should be followed in this way. If you want to add any other heading in the project analysis or any other chapter, you can do. Okay, there is nothing just like no, you have to follow only these headings. It is not like that. You can mention the headings according to your project. Project design, yes, it should be in all the project. Okay, inside that, architecture design, data flow design, database design, you can mention on the basis of your project. Okay, Next one, project implementation and result. This chapter should be there in all the type of project. Then implementation, code, testing, everything you have to mention. This is the most important chapter. Chapter number 4. Mainly they focus on that during the examination. Every chapter important, but this is your main chapter. Okay. Last conclusion. What is the summary of your project and limitation in the future? So these five chapters, and in the last references, yes, references. So in the last uh, means everybody should mention these five chapters. Inside these chapters, you can manipulate, you can change the headings. These are the subheadings. So according to the project requirement, according to your project, you can change the subheadings. Okay. So this is the guidelines, small guidelines how to prepare the book. Book pages will be around 45 like that, 45 to 50. Okay. Any other question? Doctor, documentation, how many pages needed? Also presentation, how much time to explain the, yeah, okay. So the first question is how many pages, as I mentioned. In every semester, we ask the student to prepare around 50 pages. Okay, so about 50 pages you can prepare. Next one, also in the midterm exam, you have to speak in between 15 to 20 minutes. In the final, 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, this is the time for the presentation. Any other question? And you're fine. This one, midterm exam will start from Sunday, or it may be start from Saturday. Okay, because there are so many groups, 30 groups in this semester we have. So it is very difficult to find out the common time, and we are working on that. I will tell you very soon how will be the exam. But 101% it will be start very soon. Means just like the first day of next week. Okay. Any other question? If you want to know, and if you want to know the answer of any question, you can ask. So this is about the uh, examination form. You have submitted the registration, okay, and in the last of the semester, maybe in the practical week, you have to upload your complete project here in folder number 4, GP book submission by student. So you have to submit your complete project. Complete project means your book, your presentation, final presentation, and uh, the project. If you have design, then a design file. If you have means if you have hardware based project, then code should be there, code file should be there. If you have network based project, then your network design should be there. So make the folder uh, like according to your group number, and upload everything there. So this is all about the uh, yeah, graduation project in the coming in the coming weeks, how you should prepare yourself. Anything else, if you want to know, you can ask me. Any question?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, 15 to 20 minutes for the presentation, 20 to 25 minutes for the documentation. No, 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 no. It is not like that. Now, 15 to 20 minutes presentation in the midterm. In the midterm, you don't need to bring the book. In the midterm, nobody is asking for the book. See the form. Midterm will ask, means in the midterm up to design level. Only design level. They will ask about the design. They are not going to ask about, show me the complete projects, something like that. So you have to show the presentation and you have to speak about your project for 15 to 20 minutes in the midterm exam. In the final exam, 20 to 25 minutes, you have to mainly talk about your project and your book. They will check your book simultaneously. The examiners will check your book at the same time. If they want to ask anything from the book, they will ask. Okay. But mainly they,
Doctor,
yeah.
we doesn't complete the book in the midterm exam.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But
Nobody is going. Yes, yes. Nobody is going to ask about the book. Book for the final. Now, in the
Okay.
midterm form, can you check anything related to the book is mentioned here? No, nothing like book
Okay.
here. Documentation with your supervisor. Supervisor will give you will give you marks for the documentation plus project knowledge. Same in the final. They will see their your book and your knowledge. Okay, about your project. It's easy. It's easy. Don't worry. Everything will be in the smooth way. Just do smart work. Think smartly, and do only those activities which are required. Okay.
Now we should make the presentation for our supervisor, or there is a team.
No, no, no. First,
Okay.
first of all, you should prepare for the midterm exam, which will be in the next week.
Yeah, it is a
Supervisor,
presentation.
yeah, yeah, only presentation about and just you have to speak 20 to 20 15 to 20 minutes, and these points, all these points should be there. Introduction, background, means all these points should be there. You can change the subheading, you can change the subheadings according to your project. Just like abstract, it is common for all the projects. Problem background is same for all the project. Objectives, scope, this is same for all the project. Now you can play here. You can play here. Okay, if you need hardware based project, then select hardware requirement. If you are doing networking based project, select network requirement. Just like that.
Okay.
Doctor, all this in this page, do it on BPT.
Sorry.
This abstract and problem
Yeah, yeah.
background.
Mention all these points in the PPT. I said in the starting.
Okay.
All these point, again I am repeating, please listen very carefully. All these points, just like introduction, background, inside this abstract, all these points, especially these abstract, problem, background, these points should be in the PPT. Okay, in the PPT, but don't think everything should be there. Just like if you are doing software based project, then you don't need to mention about the hardware, you don't need to mention about the network if you are doing pure software based project. Are you getting my point? This is a general form. This is a general form, arm form for all type of projects. I think you got it. Yes.
Yes, yes, Doctor, clear.
Yes. And Mansoor, if you want to add something, if you want to tell them in because if you are with me from the starting, and if you want to tell them in Arabic also, what is the mean problem background? Means problem background is what is the idea of your project from means when we select in the first week or second week, you selected the project. Why you selected that project? Because you search so many things and you find some problem in that one, some problem in that project. But in my project, I'm solving these all problems. Okay, this is called problem background.
Yeah.
What
Okay.
you are doing in your project.
طيب
Okay.
يا جماعة، على كلام الدكتور دحين في البرزنتيشن حاولوا تركزون على المشكلة، خاصة اللي شغالين على هاردوير ولا سوفت وير. الشبكات حاجة ثانية. المهم اللي شغالين على سوفت وير ولا هاردوير، زي ما قال الدكتور، ركزوا على مشكلة يحلها مشروعكم. يعني قبل لا تتكلمون عن مشروعكم وايش يسووا، تتكلموا عن المشكلة اللي موجودة وبنيتم عليها مشروعكم. اللي ماشي مع مشكله يقدر يصرف اي حاجه كذا، وان شاء الله تمشي. والمهم في النقطه الثانيه ابغى اساله دحين، اللي هو على يوم المشاريع، اللي معاه مشاريع هاردوير او سوفت وير يقدر يعرضها في البهو حق الكليه، المفروض مع اخر اسبوع مع اللاب اكزامز. في هذيك الفتره دحين اتاكد من موعده ويقدر يرسل له بعدين اسم الجروب حقه. دكتور about the expedition project expedition day, is it in the last week of
Yeah.
this semester or
Okay. I know. I asked about the date today. Who is the responsible guy for this? He told me he even don't know till now.
oh
Okay.
okay.
So I'm not sure. Till now, four groups are there from the department. I want more, means one or two more good groups, and just like you is there,
Yeah,
two
the
two more groups, and
only software and hardware are accepted, right?
every and any
if, if,
any
if
project.
even if it networks.
Any project, but
اوكي.
we are focusing on the idea. We are focusing on the idea. If you don't want to bring your hardware, okay, it depends on you. You have to present your idea there. Are you getting my point?
يا اوكي.
If you now see, if you have hardware based project or software based project, it looks just like, yeah, something in front of your eyes. But it doesn't mean if you are doing networking based project or something like that, which is not in front of eyes in the hardware form, it doesn't mean they are bad or they are below average. It is not like that. All are good. All are good. So every project, every one is invited, but the idea should be good. Are you getting my point? Yes.
يس.
Okay. Okay. Understand about the book, understand about the exams? Yes or no? Everybody. So please, Saeed, what do you want to ask? Yes,
Doctor,
Mansoor Saeed is asking something. What is asking?
the engineering college is come with us.
Yeah.
With
All will be
all.
at the same platform. All,
Okay.
all. It is at the college level. Now in the college level, so many departments are there. Our department, engineering, all the engineering department, computer science also, all, maybe six, seven departments. So don't worry about others. Focus on your project. Okay, don't hesitate, don't shy. Okay, done. Should I stop the meeting now?
Okay, Doctor, then understand.
Best of luck. See you soon, inshallah. Assalam.